crowd that's turned up here at Castle Park in Doncaster to watch a historic match, especially in recent years. You don't get to see too often this Maori All Black team touring to the other side of the world. And always one of the biggest spectacles whenever you do watch the Maori is the haka e kia ana ko te timatanga.
Maori, ko wai, tātai, Maori, ko wai, tātai, Maori, tamu te taua, tukoa. Yeah.
Very unique end, a very unique haka for a very unique team. As you said, TA, doesn't come to this part of the world very often, and I'm sure this championship 15, after that challenge laid down by the Maori All Blacks, we know now that they're going to be in for a very physical match, and that's why they're doing these drills at the moment.